I'm ready.
Il n'a jamais connu de loi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Si je t'aime, prends garde à toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime.
Sorry, ladies. The pies took longer than I thought.
It's you, really. I've been waiting for this. Yes, everyone's here. Let's begin. The rules are straight and simple. No fakes, no rip-offs. Everyone must bring something.
So, you have met everyone, right? I will introduce. That's Milvi.
Hi.
That's Maive. Malvi и Билви, да? Okay.
Enough small talk. I want to start us off with what I got. Imported straight from the USA. Incredible flavor. No mixed bullshit. Of course, I took a bit for myself. I can't wait to try it on my kids. Gets them extremely good mood right before bed. Jesus, I mean, you got pieces in here 10 to 15 millimeters long. This is pure stuff, you're goddamn artist. Actually, just basic chemistry. But thank you, Millie. I'm glad it's acceptable. Well, that's nothing. I just got these smuggled through some borders. I bet you Americans would really like to have a taste. Full of yellow 5 and red 40, banned from Europe. Teens love it these days. Oh, wow. What is this?
Американский.
Zooby zooby zoo, zooby zooby zoo, zooby zooby zoo, zooby zoo, zooby zoo. Mon Dieu qu'ils sont doux.